Dear Victor, we are so sorry for the loss of your wife. Roberta was a wonderful person, and it was a terrible shame that she died of emphysema. Our thoughts are with you. Your good friends, Fred and Grace.
I never seen a man do that before, and not that many women.
Charlene, could you order me a double whiskey at reception from downstairs, please?
All right, Victor.
Hi, Roberta, you alright?
Not too bad.
I had the scare of my life today when an alligator lunged at me in the Everglades.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I threw up and totally lost my breakfast and my masculine pride.
Tell me more, Victor. When did this phobia begin?
I don't see alligators very often, but every time I have, it's been the same. How's the office loft conversion going?
It's taking longer than I thought. Well, Victor, being as you're on holiday, I don't mind if you stay a bit longer to relax and recover. I'm so very sorry to hear about your phobia and hope it will not happen again. It sounds like your worst nightmare.
Very well, bye.
Hello, you bastard. You thought you got away with it, didn't you? I had my tame electrician rig the answer phone months ago so that it didn't erase your telephone conversations with your beloved slut Charlene. So I've known all along about your plan to rid yourself of me, and of course I knew that I was dying anyway. But I wasn't going anywhere until I'd prepared a trap for you. This room is completely sealed, and it's soundproof, lined with lead to make your mobile phone useless. And I've sent a letter to your business premises telling Slutty and your other employees that you have gone abroad on business. Of course, bitch secretary will wonder why you haven't taken her, but by the time she gets worried enough to do anything, it'll be far too late for you. Look, Victor, we had some good times together in the early days, so I didn't really want you to starve. I just wanted you to have the space to regret your misdeeds at leisure, by which time your mother would have been ready to tear the walls down to find you. If you look behind that screen hanging, you'll find a rather large refrigerator, which I've stocked to ensure that you don't die of hunger. The DVD will switch off now, but it will restart when you open the fridge door. So that I can, after all you've meant to me, assure you of the sincerity of my forgiveness for your misdeeds.
Let's hope she put some beer in the fridge. Christ almighty! That isn't a fridge, it's a walking cold store.
Come on!
Yum, 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 yum.